Hey everyone, this is Martin from MI5. MI5 stands for Millionaire in 5 years or less. My goal is to help you guys become wealthy in a reasonable amount of time, and if you guys watch my videos, then I would definitely help you get there. Now today I want to talk about the stock market in general and what's happening with it. Everybody keeps debating whether it's crashing, it's not crashing. You be the judge. You tell me, is it crashing or is this just a glitch? Or are we heading into an actual recession? There's lots of speculations of how long this will last, how much further it's going to continue to go down. And I took some notes of some stocks on my watch list and some others, and I want to talk about what they are now and how far they went down to. So first up is going to be Facebook, aka also known as Meta Platforms now. I don't know why they decided to change the name. But it's hit today at a low of $196 per share. Now, just not so long ago, it was like $320. SoFi. And let me know if you guys are holding any of these stocks, especially SoFi. I'm interested to know. And let me know what your average cost is and how much you might be hurting or if you're not hurting. SoFi hit a 52-week low of $9.56. This is the lowest I've ever seen it since I've been invested in it. Google, $2,551.76. Now that was up above $3,000 not so long ago. Tesla, today, $749. Tesla was $1,100 or even almost $1,200, I believe, not so long ago as well. AMC, all of you apes that you call yourselves, that said that it's at $15.61 now. Where are all the people that said this is going to be $100,000 a share? You still think that? Well, if you do, you're very delusional, because it's never going to hit that, and it's nowhere near. So $15.61 AMC. Lucid, $23.25. That had hit a high of like, I don't remember what it was exactly, like $60, I think it was. Ford, that was over 20. Now it's $16.75. And Neo stock. For all of you that told me time in the market beats timing the market, because I'm a day trader versus a long-term holder, for the most part. I mean, I do hold some long-term positions. How do you feel now at $20.01? Anybody that bought Neo in the 30s, you're feeling it now. I guarantee you. And I kept telling everybody when Neo hit to 40s and 50s or whatever it was, sell it. You could have always got back in and made money again, because now you're at $20.01. And if you had bought at 30 or 32, you're doing some serious bag holding. And hopefully you didn't buy it for more than that, not to hold long term. But anyway, everybody keeps saying my method is day trading and swing trading. More day trading. Swing trading even bit me in the butt with SoFi. And I'll be perfectly honest with you guys. I admit to my successes as well as my losses. And yes, you do lose some money in the stock market eventually. You can't win everything. But for the most part, I'm winning a lot more than I'm losing. So it's just good business. And let me know, how are you guys doing in the stock market right now? Are you guys on top? Are you red? Are you just getting in right now? If you are, that's great, because if you come in and buy SoFi in a $9 range, which, will SoFi go lower? I don't know. At this point, I'm thinking is, well, not just SoFi, but all these stocks. Will they go lower? I think there's still room for, lower lows. I really do, unfortunately. And I don't know when this is going to turn back around. But if you long-term hold some of these buys now, and you're strategic about it, you guys can make a lot of money, a year, maybe 2 from now. I know that's not my normal motto because I like to make money fast. But if you have no trading skills to be a day trader, or not enough money in your account to really day trade with the PDT rule, which means you have to have $25,000 or more in your account to day trade, unlimited day trades basically. Otherwise, you're going to be held to 3 per 5-day trading period. And if you don't have any skills of doing that, or the amount of money you need, you can make some long-term investments and reap the benefits later, because it definitely will be going back up. I don't know when, but I have every bit to believe that Facebook, Google, all these companies like Tesla are going to go back up to their original numbers. I know full well Tesla's going to go back up to $1,100, $1,200. Facebook's going to go back up to 320, 340, and higher eventually. But they're at least going to reach back to where they were. And from, let's see. Yeah, you go up from 196 to 340. I mean, that's pretty good. And SoFi, if we can get SoFi back up to, it's at $9.56 now, we can get it back up to $15, $16. Some say it's 20. Let's not be overly optimistic here, but use a conservative number. Say it gets back up to 16, maybe even 18 in a reasonable amount of time. That would be pretty good. That'd be nearly double your return. Of your original investment. So just bear with this market, because we're in a bear market. Don't kid yourselves. Don't wait for one green day and think this is going to be over. I have a feeling it's not going to be over anytime soon, but that's okay. You guys just stock up on it. You guys can still day trade. Look for those fluctuations, because the stock market is very volatile right now. So there will be lots of fluctuations in price. It's going to go down and it's going to go back up, but don't expect to ride it all the way back up to the top. Get in and get out. Make quick, short plays. Don't get caught bag holding, and cut your losses. Don't lose everything you got in a day trade. That would be very unfortunate. So anyway, I'm going to cut this video for now. I wanted to talk about how much lower the stock market could potentially go. If you guys have any ideas, feel free to put it in the comment section below. Make sure you guys like this video so other people can see it, especially you new stock market investors. Share this with your friends, family, whoever, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Make sure you subscribe. See you.